Hey loves, thank you for tuning into this video. We'll be looking at this lovely wig that I got from MyShinyWigs, but first, before we get started, hit that subscribe button for me. I'd greatly appreciate it, and check out my Instagram at Nestle_TV. Okay, so in the box we've got the wig, of course, is in the bag. 2 beige caps, a comb, a makeup brush, tweezers, and an edge brush / comb. In the bag is, of course, the wig itself. Wow, so straight out the box, like, this hair feels really good. The texture is super smooth, super silky, super soft, luscious. Like, the curl pattern is really nice. This is it in its dry state. So this is what it should look like in its dry state. So in the wig cap, we've got clips in the back, 1 in the front, 2 on the sides, and then adjustable straps, the 1 in the back, and then the additional 1. I always end up taking it off. All my wigs are usually too big for my head anyway, so that doesn't really help, but the 1 in the back does. Okay, so let's look at the lace construction. This is a 13x4 Swiss lace, pre-bleached and pre-plucked. But I will be demonstrating how to pluck later on in the video, and I'm gonna pluck some more because I'm extra. And as you can see, the knots aren't too big. If the knots are too big, then it might not be good quality. So I'm gonna condition the hair. I'm using Pantene. I'm just gonna make sure that I get enough conditioner in the hair so that it can saturate all the strands. And then I'm gonna let it sit for about 20 minutes in a bag. After 20 minutes, I'm now going to rinse out the hair and make sure I get all that conditioner out. Drink to myself, so I'ma have another no. I don't need a hand to hold tight, don't need a love that's all mine. But if you do not know how to pluck, I'm just gonna show you how I do it. So depending on how much plucking you want to do, you just have to part hair and then pluck the hair. So now what I'll do is cut some baby hairs, and then I'll cut off the extra lace. And then I'm gonna put on the hair for you guys and style it, so stay tuned for the rest of the video.
body stealing covers. I like to drink to myself, so I'ma have another no. I don't need a hand to hold tight, don't need a love that's all mine. But sometimes I just want somebody to talk to, someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool, and it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody.
And this right here is the final result, and I'm saying this hair is beautiful, super luscious. Volume bow. Texture on silk. I am so pleased with the quality of this hair. Thank you so much at MyShinyWigs. I look amazing. Like so good. But y'all, thank you for tuning in as always. God bless. Until next time, bye.